Hi everybody. Guess what I'm about to open? This is going to be very cool because what you guys don't probably know yet, because I just confirmed it, and I'm super excited that we received this from the winery, but we're going to be doing a great wine dinner with Chateau Montelena on Thursday, June 23rd. We have Jock from the winery that's going to be down here. He's a great guy. And look what they sent us that we're going to have with the dinner. Tommy, I don't know if that shows up very well in the light or if it's too shiny.
There it is.
But we have a 5-liter specially made bottle of the Chateau Montelena Estate Cabernet Sauvignon from 2005. 5 liters. We're going to be opening this up the night of the dinner. We're going to be pouring it. You definitely want to join us Thursday, June 23rd. I'm going to be taking this wrapper off here. Yeah, let me take this wrapper off. You can see it better. Beautiful bottle, 2005 Chateau Montelena Estate. It's going to be gorgeous. Look at this really cool bottle. We'll have to all sign it during the dinner. Anyways, you'll get more information, but if you want to join, send us a note. Thanks.